Welcome to Istanbul, where the East meets the West, and history blends seamlessly with modernity. Today, we are exploring the most beautiful places in this enchanting city. Hagia Sophia. Our journey begins at the Hagia Sophia. Once a church, then a mosque, and now a museum, the Hagia Sophia is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Its massive dome, stunning mosaics, and rich history make it a must-visit. Step inside and marvel at the intricate designs and the grandeur that has stood the test of time. Blue Mosque. Just a stone's throw away is the Blue Mosque, known for its 6 minarets and the mesmerizing blue tiles that adorn its interior. This Ottoman-era mosque is still in use today and offers a serene place for reflection. Don't forget to look up and admire the beautifully painted domes. Topkapi Palace. Next, we head to the Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans. This opulent palace boasts beautiful courtyards, exquisite rooms, and an extensive collection of artifacts, including the famous Topkapi dagger. Walk through history as you explore the luxurious rooms and gardens. Basilica Cistern. Hidden beneath the city lies the Basilica Cistern, an ancient underground water reservoir. With its dim lighting and towering columns, it's a cool and mystical escape from the bustling streets above. Listen to the echoes of water droplets and imagine the stories these walls could tell. Grand Bazaar. No trip to Istanbul is complete without visiting the Grand Bazaar, one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world. It's a labyrinth of shops selling everything from spices to jewelry. Get lost in the vibrant atmosphere and find unique treasures to take home. Bosphorus Cruise. For a different perspective, take a cruise along the Bosphorus Strait. This natural waterway divides Europe and Asia, offering stunning views of the city's skyline and landmarks. Relax and enjoy the gentle breeze as you sail between 2 continents. Galata Tower. Finally, climb the historic Galata Tower for a panoramic view of Istanbul. From here, you can see the city's iconic skyline, including the Golden Horn and the bustling streets below. Capture the beauty of Istanbul from above and reflect on your incredible journey. Istanbul is a city that captivates the heart and soul. Its beauty, history, and culture are unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the most beautiful places in Istanbul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures.